Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 259. That is, what is general availability release? Let me answer. So, the general availability release is the release of the software which happens in the final phase of the software known as stable phase. Software goes through several phases. Okay, during the development or while getting released into the market, software has to go through several phases. There are five such kind of phases. They are pre-alpha phase, which is the first phase of the software. Then after pre-alpha, alpha, beta, release candidate phase, and stable phase, which is the last and final phase, fifth phase or final phase of the software. Okay. So in this phase of the final version of the software, the finalized version, there is nothing left out. Okay. So we are releasing the software for the first time into the market for end users for usage purpose. The finalized version of the software which has gone through the earlier phases and is stable now and meeting the user needs and expectations, and there is nothing much to change, and this is the last version of the software, and the company has decided to release into the market to the end user so that end users can purchase the software and use it for their day-to-day use. Okay, such a release is known as general availability release. Okay, till the previous phases, there you see in beta, in pre-alpha phase there is no release. In alpha phase there is no release. In beta phase there is a release, but it's not a real release. It is a release to the end users and customers with an intention of testing and collecting feedback from them. Okay, so for the end users to perform beta testing, here release will happen, but it's not. The company has not decided to release the software into the market so that the end users can use it for their daily use and purchase it and kind of. Okay, that's not the real case in beta or release candidate phase. Okay, here two levels of beta testing will be performed, and finally a software will reach to the final level or final version of the software will be finally released into the market, which satisfies all the client requirements and also meets all the end users and requirements, end users and expectations which got gathered in beta and release candidate phase previous phases. And these end users can use there for their real-time purpose. Okay, they can purchase and use it for their real-time purpose, and this type of release is known as general availability release, is named as. Okay, the release which happens in the stable phase, that is the final phase of the software, is called as general availability release. So hope guys you got the answer for what is general availability release in this session. So that's all for this session. In the next session I am going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.